Good morning, dear kids. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn tense. There are three types of tense in English. First is present tense. We call in Marathi or Hindi Vartaman Kal. Second, past tense means Bhutkal. Third is future tense means Bhavishya Kal. These are the three types of tense. Now we are learning present tense. In present tense, there is the first type, it is simple present tense. So let us read the sentence. Jack and Naiko are neighbors. It's a states a fact, means this is a fact, means here true, reality. Jack and Naikos are neighbors. It's a true. Next, it is a cold in winter. It is also states a fact, means real or reality. In winter there is too cold. It is true. Third, my father comes home in the afternoon. It shows states a habit. His father will always come in afternoon. So it's a states a habit. I go to school every day. It is also states a habit. Next, the sun rises in the east. This sentence shows the universal truth. What suggests this sentence? This is the universal truth. Sun always rises in the east. So this is the universal truth. No changes in this sentence. We can't change. Okay. So these states of fact, states of habit, universal truth shows here simple present tense. Let me show the next example. See this picture carefully, all of you. This boy is eating something. See carefully. He is eating, I think, an apple. Okay. Raju eats an apple. Correct. In this sentence, it is a action word. Eats. He is eating apple. So eating is a action. Is now means here right now he is doing action, or in the present time he is eating now. This is the action done in present. So the verb that refers to an action. See this verb, the verb refers to the action of eating right now or in the present time. The verb that refers to an action in the present time is said to be simple present tense. If the action is doing now in the present situation, it's called simple present tense. Let us see. With he, she and it, most verbs like take only yes to form the present tense. Means if the sentence is there, he plays on the ground. So in this sentence, yes is added to the verb. Because in the simple present tense, we have to add yes to the action word. See, next sentence I have already shown. The sun rises. Main verb is rise. We have added yes to the action word. Next, my father comes home in the afternoon. Here, main verb is come. We have added yes to the action word because this is the simple present tense. After the verb, we have to add yes to the action word. So, see this word scratches. Here added yes. Pass, passes. Smash, smashes. Guess, guesses. Mix, mixes. Go, goes. And plays, rises, comes. We have added only yes to the words. Okay? Keep it in your mind. Next, for the verb that end in y, we remove the y and add IES for the action word. See, carry, carries. Here Y is removed. We have added IES. Study, studies. Next, for the verb end in a vowel plus Y, we just add yes. See, here play, main verb is play or action word. We have added here yes. If there is a vowel, A is vowel plus Y, okay, as per given the rules, we should just add yes. Enjoy, enjoys. Okay. Now let us complete the filling the blanks with the simple present tense. Every day little Tara wake. Complete the bracket up early in the morning. Your correct answer wakes up. We have to add yes. Understood? She hurry downstairs and into the garden. We should have to add as per the rules. Y is here, okay, but there is no vowel, only consonant. First let before the Y is consonant later, so we have to write here hurries, okay. Downstairs and into the garden. Do you know why she go there every morning? Do you know why she goes? Main verb is go, because so we have to add yes, because yes subject is she. She, he, she, it is a third person, so we have to use goes there every morning. Well, a kitten come at the hour to meet. Well, a kitten. Here, a kitten. It is a young one of a cat. Okay, so we have to write here comes. Well, a kitten comes at that hour to meet her. Little Tara love to play with the little kitten. And little Tara loves. Main verb is love, so we have to add here yes. Loves to play with the little kitten. Next, she carry into the kitchen and gave it a bowl of warm milk. She carries it to the kitchen. Means Tara is carrying to the kitten. So we should have to write here carries. Okay. To the kitchen and gives. Main verb is give. So we have to add yes. Gives it a bowl of warm milk. The kitten sleep for some time in the little basket that is put under the stairs while Tara get ready for school. The little kitten sleeps. Main verb is sleep, so we have to add this yes to the action word. For some time in the little basket that is put under the stair while Tara, main verb is get, we have to add yes. Gets ready for school. Gets ready for school. Now we have completed this exercise. All of you complete and learn. If anybody have doubt, you can ask. Okay. Listen carefully. This video